Good morning, friends. Today I want to talk about one of my favorite animals, the black bear and the grizzly bear. Okay, as you know, we are in autumn right now, and in autumn, animals need to eat a lot of food to get ready for the cold winter. Some of these animals will actually sleep for the whole winter, including Mr. Bear. Okay, so bears eat fish, vegetables, fruits, nuts, acorns. They have to eat a lot of stuff to make their body fat bulkier for the upcoming winter. And for a bear, it's not easy to make it through the winter. And little bear cubs are actually born in the winter months while their mother is in hibernation. So let's go ahead and read about bear cubs. Scholastic News Keeping Up with Bear Cubs. Every winter, black bear cubs are born in underground dens. Most people never get to see cubs up close, but scientists climb right in the dens with the bears. So that's a scientist right there. And they climb right inside to see the bears. Now, living in New York State, where we actually have one species of bear around here. We have the black bear. Now, I've personally seen black bear in nature roughly about 6 or 7 times. Mostly in Allegheny and other times on the back roads while I was fishing or camping. So let's go ahead and read about this. This wonderful animal right here. Visits with bears. Snow falls in the forest. A black bear is hibernating underground. Her body is cold and still. Her heartbeat is very slow. But something is moving in her den. 2 baby bears are playing. Bear cubs are born in the den during the winter. Suddenly, a scientist pokes their head in the den. He gently scoops up the cubs and pulls them out. The cub blink as many see sunlight for the first time. Scientists in Maine visit bear dens every winter. These trips teach scientists a lot. The scientists see if bears are healthy and if they're getting enough food. The scientists learn if they need to do anything to help these bears. So that's what the little cubs look like right there. Nice little picture. Very small, very cute. So this is where Maine is. Maine is right up here. And we are right down here in New York, right in there. So scientists go to Maine to find out about these bears. And here are the steps of the check-in. Okay, let me hold this up for you to see. And at the bottom, you see the process that the scientists go through. First up, scientists pull the bears out. They give mom a shot so she sleeps for the checkup. Now, bears can be very big, okay? And they don't mean to be dangerous, but they'll protect themselves if they have to. So, seeing the scientist probably would make a bear happy, especially if they're handling the cubs. So they give mom a shot to calm her down and let her sleep. Okay, the next picture right here, it's the scientist with the bear. It says, they measure the cubs. Sometimes the cubs climb on the scientists while they work. So there we go there. Bears are natural climbers, okay? If you look right here, you see that bears have very sharp claws on their feet and on their upper arms or legs, okay? So next up, they put the cubs in a bag and weigh them. Each one weighs only 3.5 pounds. So they put them in a little bag and weigh them, and they weigh 3.5 pounds. That's not a lot. That's smaller than the turkey that a lot of people have for Thanksgiving, obviously. They weigh and measure the mom too. Okay, they give her a shot so she could wake up again. So they give mom a shot to reverse the effects of the first shot so she could wake up again. But they're just checking to see if she's healthy. They're actually helping the bears. The next one, scientists put the black bears back. The bears are snug in the den until spring. So there's the cute little bear and the scientist. He's going to put them back. That would sure be pretty cool to hang out with some bears for a few minutes, wouldn't it? Okay. So we have bears around here, and Right now, they're probably getting ready for the winter, and some of them might actually be in the dens already, depending on where they are. Now, if you ever go to Allegheny State Park or any of the local parks south of Buffalo, you may actually see a black bear. Okay, don't get near the black bear. Definitely keep your distance, okay? So, counting the cubs. So this will be a little bit of a graph activity, and I'll hold the graph up, and you guys can pause it at home if you need to. So it says weight in pounds, okay? So each bear weighed, okay, each bear cub rather, weighed, has the weight in pounds. So at the top we have 5. So one chubby little cub was 5 pounds. That was cub A. Cub B was 4 pounds. And then if you follow the line over from cub C, you'll see that there was one that was 3 pounds. And then this guy right here, cub D, was actually, let's follow it over. That guy was 3.5. And then all the way over here, we have another one. Cub E was, let's see, let's follow it over. And I see the number 4, so that's 4 pounds. Okay. So this says, scientists weighed 5 bear cubs, look at the bar graph, and then answer the questions. So this right here is a bar graph. Okay, and this is a bar graph because we have bars that go up. Okay, it's a very easy graph to read. And then there's some questions below, and I'll hold them up, and you could also pause these. Okay, so if you want to pause and go over these with your parents or siblings or your staff, please do. I'm going to read the questions, and then I'm going to answer them. But these are the questions. Okay. Which cub weighs 5 pounds? So 5 pounds. Let's look for the number 5 on here. Doo-doo-doo. There's the number 5. And there's the cub. That's how you read the graph. So you have your choices. So you look, the only one that's 5 is cub A. So the answer is cub A. So that would be cub A. Okay, number 2. Which cub's weight is between 3 and 4 pounds? So we look over here, and there's the 3, there's the 4. Is there one in between there? Okay. Your choices are B, D, and E. So let's go ahead and follow the line over. There's the 3 and the 4 in pounds. We follow it over right there. That would be the one between 3 and 4. So right there, follow it down. Cub D. So there's cub D, and there's the answer right there. Okay. Number 3. How many cubs weigh 4 pounds? So you're going to read the graph again, and then you'll have your answer. So we're going to look for the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 pounds. So follow it over. There's 1. Wait, there's one more over there. So 2 cubs. So cub and cub. So the answer would be how many? 1, 2. Okay. This one's not at 4. It's between 4 and 3. This one's at 3. And this chubby guy right here is 5. So the answer to this one would be 2. 2 of the cubs weigh 4 pounds. Okay. Next question. How much do cub B and cub C weigh together? Okay. So how much do they weigh together? So B and C. So we're going to do a little addition here. There's cub B and there's cub C. So cub B weighs 4. Cub C is a little guy, only weighs 3. So we're going to add 4 plus 3. Let's do this on here. Okay, so this is what the problem will look like. 4 plus 3. Okay, so there is 4 pounds plus 3 pounds. So I'm going to go ahead and break this down for you guys in an easy way. This is only one way to do addition, but this is pretty easy. I'll put a little dash for each. So each one of these dashes weigh is for a pound. So that's a pound, 1 pound, 2 pounds, 3 pounds, 4 pounds right there. And this one is 1, 2, 3. So we have 4 of these and 3 of these. Okay, and we're going to add those together. And here's how you're going to put them all together. Watch this. This is just one way, and this is so you can visually see. So now we have these, and all together we're going to count what's in that circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So all together in that little circle in pounds is 7 pounds. So that would make the answer, look on here. We added the 3 and the 4 all together. We added all those little dashes and equaled 7 pounds. Pretty neat. Here's a bonus question for you. Which cub weighs 2 pounds more than C?
Return call from a text that was sent to Sincere W's mom. Has anyone texted Sincere W's mom? Please close line desk. Thank you.
Okay. So what we have here is the bonus question. Which cub weighs 2 pounds more than cub C? So there's cub C, and we need 2 pounds. So there's 2 pounds. That blank spot is 1 pound, and then it's another. So if we were to go up the 2 spots, 2 pounds, that would be this one right here. So this one is 2 more than this one. So going down here, which one weighs more? That would be cub A. So those are the answers, okay? So that is about bears today. And I'm going to show you one more picture. And this is a pretty cool picture. This would be a bear, a grizzly bear. This is a really big bear. This would be a bear eating one of his favorite foods. This would be a salmon. So that's a bear that is in the western part of the United States. Maybe for another lesson. Hope you enjoyed learning about bears and enjoyed learning about bar graphs. Have a good day. Thank you.